Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea in a pitcher. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 6 to 8 standard tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea for a 2-quart pitcher. Ensure your pitcher is heat safe. Using filtered water makes a noticeable difference in the final taste. This method ensures a consistently delicious brew every time. Next, let's brew a strong tea concentrate. Bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil. Place your tea bags or loose leaf tea into the heat-safe pitcher. Pour the hot water over the tea. Allow it to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Steeping too long can make your tea bitter, so be mindful of the time. Gently remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, it's time to sweeten your tea if desired. While the tea concentrate is still warm, add your preferred amount of sugar or sweetener. About 1/2 to 1 cup of sugar is common for a 2-quart pitcher. Stir thoroughly until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then, fill the remainder of your pitcher with cold water and plenty of ice. This dilutes the concentrate perfectly. For the best flavor, chill your iced tea thoroughly. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it's perfectly cold. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, pour over fresh ice. Garnish with lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some fresh berries for an extra touch. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, refreshing iced tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.